Hello everyone, it's your girl Cassandra, Olivia, and today I wanted to do a freaking makeup video. It has been a while since I've had time to just sit down and do my own makeup, so every day this week I've been beating my face and I decided today to record this look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then continue watching. As always, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get to the video. Good morning everyone, it's your girl Cassandra, Olivia, back with another video. For everybody who was wondering what the heck I'm doing, I have decided to try something new today. So I'm actually going to highlight and contour under my foundation. I've been really infatuated with this underpainting process and I wanted to try it out myself. I haven't really found too many tutorials that are in depth about this. So I decided, what the hell, let me just go ahead and try to do it myself. If it looks crazy, we'll fix it. But yeah, that's my method to my madness. So I'm gonna look real dusty and ashy and white in the first part of this video. But trust me, it's gonna come together by some miracle at the end. So yeah, I'm just going in with my Juvia's Place shade 13 highlighter, and this is the the concealer shade, I'm sorry. And I'm also going in with my Juvia's Place shade 9 in the concealer as well. And I'm just using 13 to highlight, which is that light shade you see under my eyes and my forehead and my T-zone area. And then I'm just going to apply the shade 9 all around that to start doing my contour. And I'm just using a beauty blender or like a beauty sponge to kind of press that into my skin. You don't want to use a brush because you don't want to swipe it back and forth. So I've realized with this method, you just pretty much want to pat everything into your skin just so it's not disrupting everything that's going on underneath. So I'm literally just dabbing this 1,000 times until it blends out. This is going to look super dark. I did kind of OD on the contour shade, but that's okay because the foundation is going to go on top anyway. And like I said, this is my first time trying this. I just was so freaking bored. I figured, why not record it? And if it looks dumb, we're gonna try something else. So here I am going in with my foundation shade, and this is the Makeup Forever 173, also known as Y445. And I'm just applying this with a foundation brush, a flat foundation brush, and I'm just tapping this in to all my light spots first. And my method behind this is I want to just tap this. I don't want to smear it back and forth because I don't want this to look super crazy. So I'm literally just putting the lighter spots first, and I'm going to use a blender to blend that out. And then I'm going to go over the darker spots last, just in case everything starts to mix together. It doesn't look crazy or my face don't come out black as hell, which I'm hoping doesn't happen here. And you just want to take your time when you're blending. Like I said, this is my first time trying this, so I kind of know how to get away with this, but at the same time, I haven't tried this before, so please don't come at me if this looks crazy on you. I'm just trying to be experimental and try something different. So yeah, after about a minute, I blended for my life, and for some reason it started to come together, which I was like, oh my god, I was not expecting this. And it's kind of showing you like a highlight and contour, but it's just under the skin. I wanted to try this process just because sometimes when you highlight and contour on top of your makeup, it looks really harsh and there's a lot of lines. So I decided to just reverse it and try to contour and highlight under my makeup. This is not something I've created. I have seen a few people try this technique, but this is just the first time I'm trying it out on myself. Okay, so now that I'm done blending, I'm just going to go in with my Sacha buttercup powder and use that blending sponge. I'm just going to dab it onto my face. I'm going to do a light layer first and just press it into my skin. And then this is where things kind of got a little wild, guys. I don't know what it is. I like powders and like baby powder texture, so I was just like, you know what, since I'm already trying this crazy ass technique anyway, I might as well double up on the powder. So here we go. I literally did this for real, guys, but then I used a big fluffy brush, as you can see in my hand, and I used it to dust this away. Now I'm going to look mad yellow and ashy for like 5 minutes, but I promise you guys, once I hit this with the Morphe setting spray, it kind of did blend into my skin. I was really shook. Now, I probably could have used way less powder, but I was in the house bored and I really didn't care. I have so much makeup that I don't mind wasting some sometimes, but yeah. So now I'm going in with my Louise base in the shade 4, and I'm just using a fluffy brush to just place this all on my lids. And now I'm just going to go in with the shade Eden by Huda Beauty. This is the Desert Dust palette that I'm using. This will also be a 1 palette tutorial as well. And I'm just tapping that first shade all over top of my lid by my crease area. After that shade, I'm going to go in with this purple Amethyst on that same fluffy brush, and I'm just going to use that to blend out both colors into each other and to create a smooth gradient effect. Now I'm going in with a brush with nothing on it. I'm just using that to blend both colors. And another brush that's smaller, and I'm using the shade Owl just to darken up the outer corner. This shade right here is called Celestial. I started putting it on the inside of my eyes, but I realized it wasn't doing anything. So then I just went back in with Turkish Delight, and now I'm putting on some glitter glue, and I'm going in with that shade Cosmic, which is that pressed glitter. And I'm just applying that over my lid and then going back in with Out. So while my lashes are drying with the glue on, I decided to start my brows. I can only get one brow done before the lash glue dried. So I placed my lashes on, and I will contour my face with the BH Cosmetics contour palette. And then I will finish my other brow at some point throughout this video. I don't even remember when I did it, but yeah, I did come back for that second brow, guys. So now I'm just adding a little bit more warmth to my face and just contouring over those spots that I contoured earlier. And I'm just using the Morphe setting spray, and you can kind of see it's coming back together. So now I'm just going in with that shade Angelic in the inner part of my eyes, and I'm also going in with the shade Nefertiti to highlight my brows. I did use some Better Than Sex mascara just to blend my lashes together. And now I'm just going in with this shade called Ginger Snap by Beauty Bakery. But she was pulling really pinkish red, and I did not think that color looked nice on me. So I did try to go in and save it with a brown liner, but it just was doing what I needed it to do. So I did end up going in with LAX and just overlining my lips, or outlining, not overlining. And I just did that, and I started to use a brush and like kind of blot my lips together until it did what I wanted it to do. I will tag everything in the description box below. It is super early. I'm trying to get this done. And yeah, your girl's tired and this video is hella fast. So if I forget anything, it'll just be in the description box below. Help each other out in the comments, because y'all already know I be struggling. So yeah, I'm just going in one more time and just setting my face, and I'm gonna pop a wig on, and she is done, honey. Let me know let me know what wig you guys like, the short one or the long one, and I will catch you guys in the next video. If you like these type of videos, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. See you later. Bye.